Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. And today's video is about Stockerwill. I made videos about Stockerwill quite back, okay, and then I also included Stockerwill website information in my all earnings video every month that I make, ठीक है ना? But the question was, many asked me whether this Stockerwill website is at all valid, legitimate, या क्या सही है या this is a scam, right? Why the question was that it's a scam? Mainly because whenever you sign up even with 10, 13, 14, 15, 20 photos in Stockerwill, you get a very early sale. Okay, same happened with me. Same, the guys who told me that Stockerwill pe upload kijiye, please upload in Stockerwill, we got sales. I thought that it is impossible. It is impossible because in stock photography, especially in the best selling website that is Shutterstock, you won't make any sale generally if you have very small number of photos. अगर बहुत कम फोटो है तो आपका सेल कभी होगा नहीं. अपलोड करते करते when you keep uploading, then you increase the number of images in your portfolio, then you start to make some sale, and that is true for all microstock agencies. But this is different. I have seen many photographers, including me, with a small number of images, they are getting sales every day regularly. So whether it was a bait या क्या उन लोगों के तरफ से कुछ ऐसे लोभ दिखाने के लिए कुछ था, so that we get incentive and we get motivated to upload more and more, I was not sure. Okay, first, if you want to sign up in Stockerwill after watching this video, if you have not signed up yet, अगर आप अब तक sign up नहीं किए हैं, then you can use the link that is given in the description or in the pinned comment to sign up, ठीक है? Because that is free. अगर आप उस लिंक से साइन अप करेंगे एंड आगे जाके आपका फोटो अगर सेल होता है तो उससे कुछ एफिलिएट कमीशन मुझे भी मिलेगा. दैट मे बी मोटिवेशन फॉर मी टू कंटिन्यू दिस चैनल, but it's not mandatory. ये mandatory नहीं है. You can definitely sign up on your own. Okay, this is just a request. Fine. So the question was, I told everybody that I will definitely continue to contribute in Stockerwill till I reach the payout balance. Okay, the payout balance is $30. So every month I continue to upload and I continued getting sales. Okay, you can see almost every month at least one or two sale in Stockerwill definitely has happened, and now the total sale is 30.80 US dollar. Okay, so now it was payout time. So what happened? I contacted Stockerwill. So let me open my email and I will exactly show you what I wrote and what was their reply. So when I was in $25, I communicated them first. Okay, then they sent this reply: hello, the minimum threshold is $30 as stated on the site. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Okay, so I waited and I waited till my payment, sales reached $30. Then I again wrote back, I have already reached $30 on site, and then this reply came: you may request a payout via PayPal or other service used by Stockerwill when the royalties reach a minimum threshold on the site. The minimum threshold is $30. Okay, so same thing they're telling me over and over again that $30 है. आपको अगर $30 हो गया आपका तो आप contact कीजिए. But I am doing the same thing over and over again. So that thing happened in last week of March, right? Then somebody replied me, thank you for your mail. Payments to Payoneer and PayPal are usually done in 1st to 7th day of the month. मतलब महीना का 1 तारीख और 7 तारीख के बीच में उन लोग पेमेंट सेंड करेंगे. Okay, so you cannot expect payment before that. Okay, it is not like other agencies like Bigstock and Adobe Stock where you have reached, you just click payment manually and they start the process. It is just like Shutterstock where they process the whole thing on the first 7 days. Okay, fine, I waited because they told contributor payments are automatically calculated. ठीक है, so it means I don't need to do anything. Then I received this message: hello, your payment has been sent. Total payment $30.80 PayPal. Okay, so it was time to open my PayPal account to check whether they have actually sent me or not. And the answer is yes. Okay, this payment from AdZona is actually the Stockerwill payout. Okay, you can see thereafter fee was deducted and I have 28.84 US dollar because I got another mail from PayPal as well. It says AdZona sent you 30.80 US dollar and this is Stockerwill payout. Okay, so having all this, the question from last 4 or 5 months is whether Stockerwill is actually worth submitting or not. The answer is definitely yes. Okay, so if you have not signed up yet on Stockerwill, please use the affiliate link in the description or in the pinned comment to sign up. In that way, you are already making an account, but you can help my channel. Feel free to hit back in the comment section with the keyword Stockerwill. Okay, if you are commenting the word Stockerwill, this is code of the day. I will know that you have watched this video. Please share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography, because Stockerwill is a very good site for beginners to get some good sales and get motivated. I thank you all for your patient hearing and I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.